How to make free organic fertilizer. If you enjoy gardening, making your own organic fertilizer is something you should definitely look into. It's easy and it's good for your plants. Things you will need: compost bin, waste products. Obtain a compost bin. You can either make one yourself or purchase one via the internet. Making one is relatively easy to do. There's even an eHow article that shows you how to make your own. See resources below. Check out the tumbleweed compost bin if you prefer to purchase a bin. See resources below. It's easy to assemble and works fairly quickly. Place your bin in the sunniest area of your yard or garden. Place a bucket in your kitchen to use for your compost items. You can put almost any kitchen waste in your bucket and then carry it out to your bin. Begin collecting items to put in your compost bin. All kitchen items except for meat, foods that have molded, or foods high in fat such as peanut butter can go into your compost bucket. Search your yard for excess items that can be used in your compost bin. You can use grass clipping, pine needles, wood ashes or manure. Place all compost-friendly items into your compost bin. Rotate your bin 2 to 3 times each day. You will have fresh, organic fertilizer to use in as soon as 21 days. Open your bin after 21 days and check your compost. It should look like rich brown soil. If there are still partially decomposed items, you should leave them in the bin for several more days. Tips: warnings. Chop up larger food items before placing them in your bin for faster decomposing. Place your compost bin over soil instead of over concrete or asphalt.